I'm here to teach. I hope you learn. Hello everyone, I'm Susan Zam. Today's class is on the parts of the human body in Berom. So, leto or reto is head. Tot is hair. Yis, eye. Bis, eyes. Wol, nose. Biwol, nostrils. Nu, mouth. Lem, tongue. Fong, ear. Bitong, ears. For, neck. Vwo hand. Vwo, hands. Legay or regay, chest. Jim, stomach. Bama, ma or rama, back. Coat, knee. Bikot, knees. Bol, leg. Bol, legs. And lawit or rawit is waist. Thank you for participating. I hope you will take time to practice as usual. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.